Hi everyone, this is Loom Shaiza. Full name is Loom Yangna Shaiza. This is my book that just came out. We had a book launch today. A very nice, wonderful book launch. This book is all about celebrating life, both the pain and the happiness of it, and cherishing the life we have right now. I hope you'll enjoy this book. And reading this book, I hope for everyone who reads this book, it would be about cherishing and celebrating life, despite it all, and because of it all. Preparing this book, it was 2 years. Writing it was 10 years, a little bit over 10 years. Writing this book has been the best thing that one of the best things I have done in my life, and I hope writing culture grows and it does not stop with just one book coming out once in a year or twice in a year, or I hope we have a lot more books coming out from our culture, from our community. And writing book, this is my standard, but I'm pretty sure your standard will be so much more better. So keep writing, and let's be a community that tells our story in our own voice. Not a community that listens to our own story in someone else's voice. So to everyone who wants to write or who is dreaming to be a writer, let's get started now. And maybe one day in 10 years down the line, who knows, we would be a Booker Prize winner. Thank you.